Hi everyone, happy weekend. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Ton coin from Bybit to your Tonkeeper wallet. If you don't have a Tonkeeper wallet, make sure you download Tonkeeper on your app store. So guys, you go to your Tonkeeper wallet, you copy your receive or deposit address. This is my Tonkeeper here, so I'm going to click on receive. You press copy. Then you go back to Bybit, guys. Don't forget this, yeah? You click on turn. You click on withdraw. You paste the turn keeper turn address. You click on max. Yeah. So for this transaction, Bybit is charging 0.1 turn. So guys, you click on withdraw. You click on withdraw. You click on confirm. You click on get code. So I'll go to my email address and get the code. So this is my email, yeah. This is the code for my email for this transaction. You go back to Bybit, you click on, you paste it there. Then you go to your Google Authenticator app. Don't forget this, guys. You have to download this, yeah. You copy your Bybit code. You copy and what? You paste, guys. You paste it here. You click on confirm. So this is showing submitted successful. So guys, you go back to your Keeper wallet to confirm your transaction. So we're going to wait for a few minutes to confirm this transaction, guys, because we will need Ton for gas fee. If you are mining projects or coins or tokens on Telegram, you will need Ton for your gas fee. So we're going to chill for the Ton coin to drop in the wallet. So guys, the transaction is successful. So this is how you transfer Ton coin from Bybit to your Ton Keeper wallet. If you like this video, subscribe, share and comment. Thanks for watching.